Hello, good morning to all guys. So guys, I am today came to the Best Buy to buy one product from the store, and that product is going to be very useful for the people who already own the car with the Android Auto with the wire connection. So this product going to help me to convert my existing Android Auto that I am currently using on my car with this wired connected phone, and this product going to help me to convert this wire setup to the wireless one. So let me go inside the Best Buy to buy that product, and later I show you the unboxing and setup of that product. That this product is going to be definitely very helpful for the people who already own the car with the Android Auto, guys. So let me go inside the store and buy that product for you guys. So I am back in my car again, guys, and I just bought the product that I am going to show you. So guys, this is the product, guys. This is a Motorola MA1 wireless car adapter for Android Auto. So this is the product, guys, and this is how it look. This is kind of a dongle that you just need to attach to USB in your car. So this is the packaging, guys. Now I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how you can set up this in your car. Before that, let me show you some specification. So it's saying like a fast media transmission, seamless connection, and the easy to set up. And it also say that you need a Android 11 or higher in your smartphone with the Wi-Fi support, 5G Wi-Fi support, and the latest Android Auto app update install on your phone from the Google Play Store. So let's do an unboxing, guys, once I reach home. Also wanted to mention, guys, this product I bought it from the Best Buy and it cost me $89, and with the tax it's going to be around $97. So this is how much it cost me here in USA. Yeah, I just wanted to mention the price also for the people who want to know the price of this product, guys. That's why I'm saying it, guys. So I am back at home now. Let's do a quick unboxing of this product called a Motorola wireless car adapter for Android Auto MA1. So let's do a quick unboxing, guys. So I just removed the product from the box, guys, and as you can see, they are very nicely packed product. There is a manual. I don't know how I open this. Let me check. Okay, yeah, I think one second. Okay, guys, so I just remove this top layer. I don't know what's this. I think it's a sticker to attach in the back of this dongle. Yeah, okay guys, this is the product, guys. It's very small and look like a Chromecast to me, and it just has a USB cable. Very simple product, guys. This is the button for, I think, setup maybe. Yeah, there is no other port, and there is a small LED light, I think, in the back. So this is what they give you. Nothing special. It's very straightforward packaging, guys, but definitely very useful for the everyday Android Auto use. So now I'm going in my car and setting up this product. I'm also not sure how I do that, but I need to learn from this manual might be, So I am going to learn that from this manual, guys. So hope you guys like the unboxing of this product. Just stay with me to see the setup of this product, guys. Now I am back again in my car with this device and my smartphone to connect. So first of all, you just need to insert this device inside your USB port. So let me do that first. So currently it's a blue light, but it should be flashing. So let me click on this button, guys. Okay, it's a green light flashing. Let me press again. It should be like a blue light flashing. Okay, like this. So now the blue light is flashing. Now I am going to go in my smartphone, go in the setting, then I go in the Bluetooth. Now I go in the Bluetooth again, pair new device, and you should able to find the Android Auto, this device. Yeah, okay. So you just need to connect, click on it, and it's ready to start pairing. So you just pair this device and connect with it. So now the device is connected, I think. So its green light is flashing now. So device is connected, right? Now let's go in the. So before that, I wanted to mention, you first need to update your Android Auto to the latest version from the Play Store. So do that and then click on the Android Auto. And Android Auto. Now I think it should be able to detect this Android Auto. And I just need to, yeah, it's detected, right? I just need to do enable. Okay. Yeah, it should detect Android Auto automatically. Yeah, I think it's detecting Android Auto is available, and it's now connected wirelessly, guys. So perfect. So you know, this is how you set up your Android Auto wirelessly using this device, guys. It's amazing device. So currently my car is connected with the wireless Android Auto from my smartphone with using this device, and green light is also showing up, so it connected with my smartphone. So this is how you connected with this device to wireless Android Auto, guys. Hope you guys get an idea about what I am trying to say. So it's a very good device for the people who are looking to do the connection wirelessly instead of using the USB cable all the time and connected with your smartphone. That makes your life trouble making sometime, because there are so many wires sometime getting around in your car. So definitely I recommend this device, or there are certain other kind of device also available similar of this, but from the other brand. I am not going to suggest that, because what happens sometimes it has a compatibility issue. This one might also has a compatibility issue, but I feel like because of it's from the Motorola, very well-known company, it might easy to connect with all the type of car who support the Android Auto, but wireless, wired. It's based on the wire connection. So hope it you get an idea what I am trying to say. So definitely go check out this device if you are interested in having this kind of setup in your car. Then go check out, guys. I definitely recommend. So hope you guys like this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this, so I can make a more video in future also. So for now, I just wanted to mention that I am looking to reach 1,000 subscribers soon. So please support, guys, so I can make more video like this in future also. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care. Thank you.